Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that will be perfect for you, especially if you're still new on online marketing and you're looking for a tool that can create a video you can promote. So guys, let me introduce you to Renderforest. Now, why is Renderforest so beautiful and being used by some of those popular brands? Now you can use Renderforest to create your logo, create video, edit your mockup, build a website, yes, and design graphics. This is one in five tools, right? It's one price, and you can use it to practically do everything. So the good thing is that Renderforest have a free plan. Okay, you can literally build any kind of thing. So usually I use it to build videos for marketing. Now, why I love it, although there are other tools there that you can use to create marketing video, but why I really like this Render Forest is the fact that they will give you the opportunity to even create video in 3D. In explainer video in 3D. Okay. So in fact, let me show you the one I played around with. I just created a 3D video. The first thing you need to do is, of course, you need to register, right? So when you register, then you go to create video, right? So when you are in the page of create video, you are given different options if you want to create animation videos such as explainer animation, product or service promotion, video editing, mobile app promotion, a lot of them, even YouTube video, or you want to create your intros and logo, like YouTube intro video, 3D logo review, and all that. I'm sure you may have seen some of those 3D designs on YouTube or other, or you want to create a slideshow or presentation or music video. So there's a lot of things you can do with this particular tool under one service, which is the creation of the video. Okay, so if you look under, you see different templates you can use to create these tools. As you can see, you see different templates. So you decide on the one. If you want to create Instagram story pack, there's a template for it, right? Business presentation, there's a template as well for you to create animation video for presenting your business or your product. All right. But now I want to show you how to create 3D video using this 3D explainer. Okay, so if you want to do this, what you need to do is just click the tool you want to use, right? So this is the tool. Meanwhile, Of course, before you may have decided to create a video, you should have your scripts, what you want to be in the video. You should have written your scripts already, okay? So you click create video. So it will lead you to the next page, which is either you decide to add a scene, you load a preset. That is, you choose from their the scenes already designed from the templates, or you type a script. Just type your script, and they will suggest the best match for you. Okay. So now they have an AI. If, for example, you have an idea, you want to use a script first to write, the AI will suggest the best scene and the video for you. Okay, I think we should try it and see how it works, right? For scene, I just choose a scene from it. Okay, so let me type the script, and let's see. Okay, so let's type the script here. Let me tell a story. Okay, so I don't know what is going to come up, right? I'm just stood up something. I couldn't think of anything in particular. Okay, but let's just assume that this is a script. Okay, so the next thing you do is just click to generate project, right? So first thing will be generated, because the idea now is to tell a short story using Fossy, right? So if you want to add extra scene, you can add and all that. So I'm going to just click generate project, then wait. So this is what came up. Let me see if I can play it, right? On my way to visit a friend. Remember what I typed in? Okay. Now, this is the first one. The second one, I realized I lost her address. So you see, they bring out something that looks like someone talking on the phone. Next, I decided to use Google Map. Okay, and finally, I was on my way to visit her. Okay, so the next thing now is to look at the styling. So how do you want to style it? Do you want to just use 3D look, or you just want to use flat look, right? Okay, let me use flat look, right? Then how about the transition? What kind of transition do you want? Decide on your transition. So there are different designs. Okay, it's not loading, but actually the transitions are different. So let me just leave it at this first one. Then of course you pick your font. All right, so let's just leave it as it is. Now here you now decide on the color you want your presets, color presets you want to choose. You can pick, or you can add your own custom color here, right? But of course I'm not going to put any of those things. Then look at the music. Choose the music you want, like instrumental, right? So I'm just going to pick any one. Well, can't hear anything, but let me just add it. You can actually add the music. And also, you can actually upload your own voiceover if you want to. Yes, you can add your own voiceover here. You don't want to use the music here, because all they have is just instruments, music, right? So maybe you want to like use voice to explain the stuff. Then let's look at the review. Okay. So we're going to look at it. So now, because it's a free plan, I'm using a free plan, the quality of the video is going to come out, it's going to be low, right? And it's going to be 360p. Export size just less than 2 minutes. It's definitely with watermark. So when you look at the way it looks, okay, so while we are waiting for it to export, let's look at other functions, okay? So at least you've seen what is we can just show you one aspect of what Render tool can do. So let's look at the pricing, why you should try Renderforest, right? So Renderforest actually have two payment plan. Either you do the subscription plan where you pay like monthly or yearly, or you pay per product payments. So like each video you create, you pay for it, which actually makes sense, right? For a single export. If probably you're in the business where you don't create video all the time, and literally pay for per whatever you produce, right? Or if you have the money, you can go for monthly subscription. And usually yearly subscription is quite affordable, right? As you can see, for the light plan is $6.99, $7.99 per month if you're going for yearly plan. And with the light plan, you have 10 gig storage. Then your video definitely will come out in HD 720 per month. Leads up to 5 minutes video, access to 200 plus stock video and a lot of other things. Plus, you have access to the logos, the mockups, the website. You can design everything you want. Okay, so it's professionally designed stuff. So with this tool now, you don't even need to hire graphic design to create a marketing video for you. If you have your message, if you've written your message, you can use this tool like to create your video. If you don't know how to like design the scenes, use the script part. Just write down your scripts. Okay, after you've written down your script, then just click generate. Then they will use the AI to generate the script. And I forgot to tell you that maybe after generating the script, you want to change the characters and all that. You can actually change all the characters, the words, and everything. Okay. So I think I'm going to show you how to. So so like I said, the video has exported finished, but let me show you some things I'm supposed to show you. You can change the right or right. You can also change the text position if you want it to be on the left or the right. Then the scene, you can change the scene. If, for example, you want to change the character, right, you can change, as you can see, they just show a few of the characters here that you can use. But besides that, you can actually click it. Okay, you can actually click these three dots top and replace the character. So as you can see, if you want to replace it with a female character, you can do that. You want occupation, a male character, dressed in different occupation. You can do that. If you want female character in different occupation, of course, you can do that also. Then office animation, female character or male character on office where they have for children, they have for problem situation background, right? The queuing in the park, the man getting upset, finding the phone run out of charging. Isn't this really interesting? Like they try to look at some situation people face and they use it to create something for you, right? So all you need to do is just put in your content and all that. Then you want it for family as well. Family is daily. So they have a lot of them, right? You want to use for image, that's for logo. If you want to review your logo and all that, contacts, now that you can do that. Okay, so this is literally some of the things you can do with it too. And so now let's look at the video I exported using this tool. Okay. Sometimes I want to market my product, I want to show my face, I want to make it, especially product that need a lot of explanation. I use this tool, right? It makes it easy. So if you think it's something you can use, go ahead, try it, and tell me what you think about this tool. Besides, I'll be dropping the link in the description section of this video, okay? So thanks for watching. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, okay? And tell me what you like about this video.